Now moving back. Sakate. Agyoke. Moving back. Jime. Now, moving forward, Sotoke, Chodan means day, means here. Ready? 3 times. Jame. Now, then moving back. Sagate, Ochuke. Ochuke. Hajime. Now, Shotoke kamay. Shotoke. Weight distribution. Both knees are bent. Both knees are bent. Bend under the as well. But more bend on the rear area, rear side. Because of weight distribution. Now, 3 times. Moving forward. Hajime. Downward, downward. During sound, downward. Okay, now at the Hajime. Also, okay. Okay, go back. Return. Turn. So, now at the Hajime. Yes. Okay. Or you can turn with Shotoke. Doesn't matter. Okay, gedan pa rin kapag tayo. Wait. Kakiwaki gedan. Go. Kakiwaki gedan. Go gedan. Now, rear foot for twist knock, twist more your rear foot. Twist more. Rear foot, twist more. Yes. And Maigiri, flipping back, raise your knee up, flip back, and back. Okay, 3 times. Jimmy. Yes, very good. Now what is Jimmy? Okay, keep kamay there. Keep Now your toes are facing here. Now. Okay, show me Yoku Kiyagi. Yoku Kiyagi. Ready? Jimmy. Flip back. Snap. Yes, snap.
Walang shot.
Mawat eh, Jimmy. Down more. I want to see the brushing of leg. Kosa Dutch. From Kosa Dutch. Brushing of leg. Brushing it up. Raising your knee. Throwing and how you drop it. 3 times. Jimmy. Now what is Jimmy? Now face your toes here. Down. You put Kikumi. Means you have to trust now. So totally different from same execution but different way of kicking. Okay? Ready? 3 times. Hajime. Push straight. Push, yes, like that. Push straight. Now what did you do? You push in the middle, not high, don't kick high. Kikumi doesn't kick high. Kikumi means you push in the middle. Okay? Ready? Jimmy! Yes, like this. Yes, like that. Very good. Now Jimmy. Now up. So means that Kikumi doesn't kick high. Kikumi push to the middle. Okay? But Yagi kick high. Okay, good. Now kata. Let's get. Red. Okay, shout your kata. Yoy, hayalida. Yoy. Hajime. Okay, that's okay, but you need to practice more. And I want you to understand. Okay, memorizing kata is the first thing that you do. You need to memorize. Are you agree with me? Right? You memorize the kata. Now, to know the kata, that's the next thing that you do. Okay, next thing. Knowing. How? What should I know? I already memorized it. What should I know? What should you should know? You have to know how to, you must know how to do the point of origin, contraction, expansion, and weight distribution. Okay? Anything that you do, there is a weight baseline. Okay? I know that it's difficult for you to understand, but you need to practice hard on that. Okay? Okay, wait. Now, let's go for, you know the sambung kumite? You know? Oh, people kumite na. People kumite na. Face each other? No, here, like that. And I want to see only one. Just one of it. Okay? Name, go here. Yes. Okay, you start first. Get up for management. Only one, okay? Shout, Junan. Go. Once. No, yes. Like that. Okay, only one. Now break, up. Only one means keep on. Means only one. I need one only. Not one time only, okay? Okay, get up for management. No, your turn again. I want to read. Okay. Shout. Junan. Go. Once. No. Only one. And clap and the counter is your counter. Yay! Now your turn. Let's see how you will do it. Now your turn. Ilan pa rin ang management? No, moving back. Not moving forward. You position go back. You have to step back. Okay, go here. Yeah, like that. Because I want you to understand. Okay, guys, look. If you are near to each other, definitely you cannot move forward, right? You are near. So, ganun pa rin ang management. Step back. For sure, near. It's logical, okay? Now, shout Junan. Anjube. Jordan. Okay, go back. Now, where is Jordan on this part? Where? No. Where is the? Yes, there. Means that where is Jordan? Yes. No, you said Jordan, right? So, where is the? You need to point where? Point. Yes, there. Very good. You don't panic about this way. What we say? Go. Okay. No. Okay. Now, right up. One more time. Oh, again. Go back. Now, right up. No. Go back. Now, right up. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Get up, panic about this way. Not forward. Get up, yes. Okay, shout. Jimmy. Shout. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Anything the first one will strike should shout. And the counter should shout. Okay? Then now read.